Mccalls pattern review of 8241. This is the ever so popular pattern. It's part of the Sew Your View on Instagram. And so for the month of October. And so I was getting major FOMO, you know, fear of missing out. And so I had to do this poncho. So this is what mine looks like. I'm gonna go and try it on, but I do like to show you like all the ins and outs of it first. But this is what it looks like. There is a picture of it right there. I did view B, I did view B with the curved hem. So let me show you the line drawings right here. So I did view B. This is some more details of the front right here. And this one is really nice because all the sizes are extra small to an extra, extra large. And I actually, okay, so my bust size is a 40. And so I did a size small, which generally I would not really go with a size small, but everybody has been making this and has been saying that it runs really big. So I'm like, okay, I'll go with a small, and I love it. It fits perfectly. Okay. Everybody has been making them with like all different types of fabric. I made mine with a sweater ribbed knit that I purchased from Joann's. And see, this is what the texture of it looks like. I'm concerned that it might not look good when I wear it over and over again, because it's like the fabric seems like it's going to be like pilling. You know what I mean? To where it looks like it's like several years old, but we'll see. It is a thicker fabric, and so if you're gonna use like a sweater knit or something like that, I really highly recommend having a walking foot. I don't know how I would have put this together without the walking foot, because there are some that have bulk. So it does definitely look exactly like the drawing. I love how it turned out. And I definitely would make it again. I feel like it is just a great addition to my handmade wardrobe. And then let's see, I'm gonna get a little bit closer so you can see. I did the raised neck, and so it says to do like double stitches. So I did, you know, one stitch right here and then another stitch along there, because I didn't run it through my serger because I feel like it was really thick. And then Delilah over at Creativity by T, she did a pattern review on this. Mine's just gonna be quick, so if you want more information, go to hers. But she had mentioned it takes no brain power to put together this shirt. And so I remember right when she said that, I was thinking, the pressure is on. And so what ended up happening is I sewed the sleeve on upside down. And after I did that, I kept thinking about her saying it takes no brain power. So what I mean is right here, you've got the sleeve seam, and this is the top. Well, actually, let me go and try this on. I think I went over all the details that I wanted to show you on the inside. Let me actually just show you this one other thing, like how much bulk it did in here. What you do with the bottom part of the sleeve is you fold it up. So see, there's no hem or stitch line down here because you folded it and you doubled it, and then you stitched it right here on the dropped sleeve. So let me go ahead and try this on for you. If you are interested in more pattern reviews just like this, make sure that you hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any upcoming videos. Okay, so I just remembered I can just slip it on over this shirt because the sleeve area does not even start to like right here. Let me just put this on so I can show you. I really do like the turtleneck. I'm gonna show you, I can even make it shorter. So it's kind of weird to put on because it's not fit, it's only fitted in the sleeve area. Okay, so here we go. And see, it fits like this, like there's no fitting in it right here. And which I like. Okay, so here is the turtleneck. Oh, what I was talking about when I sewed the sleeve on is because see, there's the seam right here. And I sewed it on upside down, so the seam was showing right here. And I kept contemplating, like, should I change it? Should I change it? And I did. I went ahead and fixed it. But see how there is a lot of bulk right in this area. And I could mess with it, I could do a top stitch if I wanted, but it's not that big of a deal for me. And it is very warm. I really like it. The turtleneck part fits really perfect because it's not tight, you know what I mean, up against my neck like this. Some turtlenecks do this and it makes me very, very hot. I don't really like turtlenecks. This one I love because it's like loose fitting, and this is a size small again, but also with the turtleneck, I can even fold this down a little bit to make it shorter like that. See, so that is still really cute too. Also, I wanted to show you on the bottom, the hem was really easy to do, and the curve, I'm actually very impressed. It turned out really good. It has an opening on the side right here that you have to, you know, do some maneuvering. I was worried about that, but it actually turned out really, really nice. And I just used my walking foot to stitch, just to do like a fold over hem on that. So that is just my very quick review of this Mccalls 8241. Like I said, I think it is perfect for fall. I think you have to have it in your fall handmade wardrobe. So thank you so much for watching, and until next time, happy sewing. Bye guys.